Well, hello there. Hello there. Hello there. And YouTube Lant. It's a wonderful. Glad you guys made it by. What is up? How's it going? Good video and audio. Just give me somebody. Just give me a thumbs up, and we'll start looking at these charts here together and get ready for some trades. I'm going to look at Bitcoin tonight. We're going to look at Ethereum and Litecoin, and I might, if I have time, take some chart requests. So just give me somebody. Just give me a thumbs up. There we go. Look at Bitcoin tonight. How we doing, guys? How we doing? It's 12 of you. Welcome, guys. Chime in when you come in. Just say hi. What's up, James Bond? Somebody let me know if we got good video and audio. I think we're good. 21 of you. Awesome. Awesome. Well, we got our moonshot move. Not really a moon, but it's a pretty good little move. A couple $1,000. And yeah, then we got a rejection, so that's good news as well. We're gonna talk about how to identify what kind of wave this is and what we're looking at. So, gotta hear from you before I start. Let me hear from somebody. Merle chimed in. Robert, what's up? Let me tell the Telegram group we are live. Okay. Okay. All right, I've got 19 of you here in there. Chime in the chat for me if you would. Make sure we're doing all right. Okay. All right. Well, I'm just gonna jump in, guys, and get started. You guys are quiet tonight. I guess it's Friday, and some people are just kind of watching. All right. We're gonna look at Bitcoin here, and let's just do some TA here. I'm just gonna talk about what I see and share my thoughts, and then we'll get going. Okay. All right. So what do we have? What do we have here? What are we looking at? Um, a couple things that are very, very difficult on this particular wave count, guys. Right here, that wave is pretty. What is that? Okay, I've got a couple ideas for you. This not so much, not so hard. So we'll look at this in just a second. Let's see here. Oh man, I I couldn't see all your chat on my phone. So sorry. My phone wasn't registering the chat. So sorry about that, guys. I thought like nobody's chatting. What's going on? All right, we got it now. I really thought nobody was chatting. I was just like, what in the world? There we go. Charles Jones, thank you so much. What a blessing. I really appreciate that. That's uh, that's enough to be in the Telegram group, my brother. If you want to message me, we can work that out and get you in there. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. So Yeah, I'm feeling better, Rip Easy. I am feeling better. Um, I have a little bit of a cough, but it's nothing much, and it's just getting the I don't have my singing voice yet, so I can't do much. Yeah, lots of you saying hi, and I totally missed you guys. So sorry. What's up, Brentley and Hassan? Let's see. Happy lockdown from Ecuador. I'm sorry, bro. Nafiz, welcome. Hey, Jason, what's up, man? Yeah, I just got off of work, guys, and I got home, and this is the first thing I did. I said hi to my kids. I said, hey, I got to do a live for you guys. I've been what's up, Twins Records? Welcome to the Telegram group, man. Glad you made it by today. Glad you made it in. What's up, Max? Max from Down Under. Camel Tea Bag. Thank you. Yeah, I'm feeling better. Thank you. Nibbler, good to see you. Cy Hall and Vaughn, what's up? Wind Moon. I think it might be coming soon, guys. I think we're gonna get some moonshots. But Charles, thank you again for that gift. I really appreciate it. That's a blessing to me and my family, and really thank you. So if there's anything I can do for you in this live chat, particular chart you want to see, any stock, guys. And by the way, I will take a couple chart requests tonight once I'm done the TA. And what's up, Happy Charts? Once I'm done the TA, I'll do a couple chart requests, and then we'll see what we can do here. I'm going to try to keep the live to about 30 minutes. Okay, guys. So let me run through without checking the chat anymore. Let me run through and do the Bitcoin TA. Okay, I'm going to show you everything I'm seeing, and then tell you about where I think price is heading. Okay. All right, let's jump in. So yeah, we're trying to interpret this wave, and what do we have here? Right now, it looks corrective, but be aware. We could be dealing with uh, possibly a 1-2-1-2. I think Hippo mentioned that we might be dealing with a leading diagonal. I'm not so sure about that, but certainly on the table as a possibility. So let's keep that in mind. Did see something pretty interesting in the RSI. We have hidden bullish divergence, guys. I'm on the hourly chart right now. We have hidden bullish divergence, which is very powerful. I'd like to see it a little deeper on the 15-minute chart. You see it quite deep. Let's see here. Yeah, right here. You can see it on the 15-minute chart. Price is stronger, and then RSI is going stronger to the downside while there's price moving up there. So we got hidden bullish divergence. It tells us we have another upswing to go possibly. So be aware of that. Excuse me 1 second. I'm gonna have to cough. Okay. Let's see. So yeah, that's something. Let's take a peek at the Elliott wave count and see what we can come up with. So there's a couple of things here. I have a triangle drawn here. So whenever you have a triangle, a couple rules for Elliott wave. Either triangle is in the B wave or an X wave, or it's in the fourth position. Okay, a four wave position. Um, what do you have here? I don't like this as a B wave, because the C wave is just so tiny. If that's it right there. That's your C wave. I don't like that. That is not good looking. I'm actually counting this as an impulse wave with some kind of a hidden 1-2 down here. This is 3. The triangle's 4. There's 5. It's just a double top there. So I'm counting that as an impulse wave. 3 wave move to the downside. That's a 1 and a 2. Okay, looking for a third wave, a 3 wave. Now, what we need to pay attention to here is whether this is impulsive or it is corrective. So the way we do that is we throw the Fibonacci trend-based extension tool on there, guy, and we measure the first wave down to the second wave. I'm just measuring this second wave here, okay? And we came down to the 1618. We came and wicked down. Now, we did not break the level of the 1, guys. So right now, what I'm looking at, because of the hidden bullish divergence, I'm thinking we're going to get something like this. This is a 4 wave, and we're going to get a 5th wave to the top. Okay? What's up, David G? How's it going? See you popped in. Welcome. So this did come to an impulse wave. Still could be dealing with a C level correction. Let me throw the fibs on the whole move here. When we throw the fibs on the whole move here, I've got 1, 2. The 127, which is where I'm predicting price is heading, to actually between the 127 and the 1618. It's where I'm thinking price is heading for this move. I still think this is probably just an ABC correction, but we are going to the upside most likely. I'm seeing A, B, C. Looking at this structure right here, I would like to stay short of the 1618, and my yellow line up here. You'll see this yellow line is marking the bottom of this area right there. Let's see, and the top of these waves over here. So the top of these and the bottom of these. So I'd like to see price come on back up to the $7,500 region. That's probably where price is heading. We got an ABC. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the way it's looking to me from an Elliott wave perspective. Okay. So that's if it's corrective. Now, if the implications of that is this, implications of that are these. Okay, if it comes back up here and reverses around $7,500, guys, that means we have more downside to go. ABC up, got downside to go. That's if we're dealing with a corrective wave. Now, it's a pretty substantial move, guys. It's not a bad trade to take it north right now. Again, we have hidden bullish divergence here on the 1 hour. We got it on the 15-minute as well. You see it right there, and then you have price going up there. So hidden bullish potential. It's not the strongest in the world, but David G. I don't know what the gap is. I never pay attention to it. Yeah, actually, Max, it did. The third did make the 1618. Let me show you. Now again, it's the third of the C leg, man. Remember that. So it's the third of C. So right here, this wave right here came to the 1618, came down, did not break the level of the one wave, Max. So yeah, according to my measurements, we did hit the 1618, so it looks good for a impulse wave. I got 5 waves in this third wave. I got a nice, nice deep fourth wave, shallow second wave, so that's good alternation there. I like that. So yeah, the C leg we did hit the impulse stage, so that's good. I'm expecting to come on up here to structure, most likely, and then we're gonna have a stout rejection most likely. Hassan, I'm not seeing 9100. Not seeing that in the charts. Yeah, Max on the 1 hour it didn't wick it, man. It hit it pretty substantial. It didn't go through it. It hit it substantial on the 1 hour. It's got good 1 hour candles into it. I like it. So I'm thinking up from here. Again, hidden bullish divergence, and I'm thinking one more wave to the upside. Could be wrong. Obviously, guys, this isn't financial advice. I'm simply sharing what I'm seeing in the market, okay? So that's all I'm doing is just sharing how I see the market and what I'm seeing in the chart. Again, we always let price action confirm, and we learn how to trade ideas. Excuse me 1 second. What's up? What's up, Akin? How's it going? Yeah, 9100. I'm not seeing it quite yet. I think we're going to have a test of the low again before we go up. Now, here's the deal. If we come up here, guys, let me get the fibs back on here. Hold on. Let me tell my wife. She just came in with groceries. My wife says hi to everybody. Anyway, yeah. Let me throw the fibs back on the main move here. Yeah, come on. Yeah, if we get up here to 7,900, guys, if this comes on up to 7,900, 7,927 or higher, guys, we're looking possibly an impulse wave. And so basically what we would have here, instead of an ABC, we'd have a 1, a 2, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and then a 5. And that's how we would, Hassan, that's how we would get to 9,100. Okay, buddy? So if this is an impulse to the upside, we certainly could get up to 9,000. Okay? So yeah, that would be the alternate bull scenario. So right now we're dealing with the bearish scenario. Got an ABC working. That would be I'd like to see about 7,500 come up here from this wave. Nice little trade if you wanted to trade that right now. 600 to 7,500. That's a $1,500 move. Not a bad little trade there. You can use the moving averages. That'll help you on the hourly. Wait for price to cross the. Wait for this to come on down. Wait for price to cross the yellow line, which is the 20 MA. To the north, and then you have good entry into you usually hit the third wave by that time. So yeah, looking good for an upswing, I believe. But we'll see it. If we break, here's what would invalidate another move to the upside, guys. If we would break 55.86. If we break that, guys, then another move to the upside would be invalidated. Okay, so 55.86 is your invalidation point of a move to the upside. Okay, so mark that on your calendar. I'll tell you what I'll do for you. I'll put a little thing here. You can take a screenshot of that. Boom, got it right on the nose. And so that would be the invalidation point there of this fourth wave or this fifth wave to the upside. That would be invalidation. Excuse me. Let's see. Okay, let's talk bull scenario. Bull scenario. If we're dealing with a bull count, it's not an ABC. We've got a 1, 2. Okay, Max, I'll look at that in just a second. Let's look at bull for a minute, and then we'll look at one more bear scenario that Max just mentioned. Okay, let's see here. Where am I? Okay, so sorry, got a call. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, so bull scenario. What we have here, we would have basically a one wave. 2 wave. The 3 wave would get up here past the 7,900. The 3rd wave would get there. 4th wave, come down here somewhere. And then we get a 5th wave up in the $9,000 region. We'd probably come and retest this area right here, 9,200. Probably retest that zone right there. And that would give us a 1 wave, guys. Okay, and once that 1 wave is complete, we would expect to see a 3 wave pullback that would come to 50% of that wave at least to 618 in that ballpark. Could come all the way and retest the bottom. So understand that we can throw the retrace fibs on that when that wave is finished. We can short the mess out of that down to the downside if we get such a wave. And then this would be a 1, 2, and this is our Elliott wave setup. We get a 1 wave, you get a 3 wave pullback that's proportional in time and price to the 1 wave. Okay, we enter the trade down here at the bottom of the 2nd wave, and then we go long. Okay, and that's when we're gonna get our. That's you say when moon. That's when moon. Okay, if we get that right there, guys. If we get a 1 wave up to the upside here, if we get a move up to $9,000, guys, moon is coming. Moon is coming, most likely. As long as it's impulsive, we got a wave down to the downside, 3 wave move, and then, guys, it is on like Donkey Kong, okay? I mean, this is what everybody's been dreaming about, probably. Yeah, this is when it's time to get bullish, it's time to get bullish. So let's see what happens, guys. So that's your bull scenario right there. But what's got to happen, guys? We got to have a wave that's got to surpass 79.27. Okay, so we need to see a wave. We need to see this wave surpass 79.27. To be honest with you, I'm not seeing that in the chart right now. I'm not seeing it at all. I do not think that's likely. The reason I don't think it's likely is because number one, this could be a finished move. Could be a finished move, which we could talk about in just a minute. Yeah, not fees. It could drop big from here. So we're going to talk about that scenario in just a minute. That's what Max just asked about. So we'll talk about that in a minute. But anyway, if we're going to have a moon scenario, guys, we got to, from here, we've got to get up to 79.33. Okay, 79.30 in that ballpark. We got to get up there. If we don't get up there, then no moon. And it needs to be up here in the next wave, okay? We need an extended fifth wave here of the third. And so what we would have here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and an extended fifth way up here. I don't like the shape of that, guys. I really don't. But that's what we would have to have in order for this to be a moon scenario. Okay, so there you go for that. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's give a price projection for this fifth wave here. So we're going to measure the 1 to the 3 and then down to the 4 to the 618, 7200 to 7600. So yeah, I like that 72 to 76. That's looking about right. So there you go. There's your price targets for this fine. If we get a fifth wave to the upside, that's what we're looking for. Go ahead and take that screenshot. I'm going to cough. If you guys aren't part of the Telegram group, this is the kind of stuff I post all the time. I post videos that are just, I gave 2 videos yesterday, a morning and an evening video. I gave other videos as well. We do a Forex group, and I gave some videos there. So anyway, get lots of extra videos there, lots of charts and daily communication in the Telegram group. So if you're not part of that, I encourage you to join the Patreon. Just check the description of this particular video. All right. Let's talk about the third scenario. So what we've talked about is we have a scenario where we have one more wave to the upside, going to hit around $7,500, roughly 72 to 77 in that ballpark. That's one scenario. No, that's a bearish scenario because we're going to get a steep drop after that. It may not happen immediately. It may just kind of go sideways for a little bit as it begins to it could just kind of boom, do one of those, and then that's when we're going to get the reversal, I would believe. That's when we get a kind of a bigger move off of the bottom. Okay. All right. Secondly, the second scenario we talked about is a moonshot, where price, if we're going to get the moonshot, we need price first off in this particular wave right here. We need price to get up here to 79.30 in that ballpark there. A little bit of a pullback, and then we needed to get it up to this level about 72.20. 92.20. So we need price to get. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 like that. That's our moonshot. Okay, so if we get up here to 9,000, get a 3-wave pullback, it's on like Donkey Kong, guys. We're gonna surpass 12,000 and go on higher, big time higher. We'll talk about the scenario if we get it. I'm not going to waste much more time on that because I think we have some more downside coming. All right, let's talk about the scenario now where we could just go down from where we are. Okay. All right, this is the final scenario we're talking about. By the way, all of these scenarios work for Ethereum and Litecoin, guys, just different numbers. I'll pull the fibs very quickly, but I'm not going to do heavy TA in those, but I'll pull the fibs and give you some targets there once we're done with this, okay? All right, final scenario. There's 42 of you here. Welcome. If I haven't said hi to you, welcome. What's up, Ard, man? And Christina, how you doing? All right, now, let's see. Final scenario. We go down from here. That means this move right here was a 3-wave. I don't like it. It could be a 5-wave. 5, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I don't like it at all. It would have to be a WXY. Okay, which means we'd have to count. We would have to count this as a 3-wave. Okay, that's the way we'd have to count it. We did come to the 1-to-1 extension, almost hit the 127 extension, not quite. And then we had a rejection off of that. What we would expect to see then, I'm going to go down to the 15-minute chart here. What we would expect to see is a 5-wave move. Now we did not break the 1, so we're okay. So WXY correction finished. We would have to see 5 waves here. We don't have 5 waves yet. We did come to the 1618, so that looks really good for an impulse. This could be 1, 2, 3. This is 4. Did not break into the level of the 1. Need a 5th wave coming to the downside. Okay? That's what we're looking for. So we need to see that finish. Gotta see that 5 waves finish. If we go up from here and we break... let me get these moving averages off the screen. There we go. If we break yellow line of death right here, yellow line of death, 64.27. If we break 64.27, guys, then this count is no good. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 need a fifth wave to the downside. If we come up and break from this location, from here, without making a lower low, okay, that's the big deal. If we don't make a lower low from here, but actually we just come down and then come up and we break 64.22, then we do not. This count is incorrect. This is not going to be an impulse wave to the downside. We gotta have 5 waves. Don't have 5 waves yet. Just have 3 finished. Got the 4th in there. The 4th may turn into something more complex, sideways something for a little bit, but we cannot break that 64.27 mark. Okay, that's the yellow line of death. Okay. 64.27. All right. So we need to see a 5th wave come down. Once that happens, what you're going to see is a 3-wave pullback about 50%, and then we're going down to finish out. And what that would be is a 1 and a 2, and then we'd get the 3rd wave after that. Okay. So we've got plenty of time to wait and see how that transpires. Okay. But this thing is not. I don't think this thing is going to go straight down from here, Nafis. Or John, whatever I should call you. I think we're going to get 5 waves. Okay, we're going to get 5 waves, and then we're going to get a 3-wave pullback to 50% of that. Okay, and then we're going down. Okay, so yeah, you'll get a pullback and an entry short. Okay, so anyway, so yeah, so we're looking for this to finish. So I want to see this wave come on down and finish. I want to see a 3-wave pullback that comes to 50%, does not break the high up here. Okay, can't break the high. Once that happens, we're going to enter short in that region, and boom, you're gonna hit that last leg short. So that'll be a nice short for you as well. All right, so there are your scenarios, guys, and there are your invalidation points. That's all you need to know. If you need more information or if you need to go back over that, I was really slow and careful, took some screenshots. Make sure you just rewind the video, and you can go back and catch all that information, okay? All right, there you go. Let's look at Ethereum. Let me give you some price targets. I'm not going to go over the count heavily. Man, look at that messy chart. I'm just going to clear it all. All that work gone. There it is. Excuse me 1 second. I got a cough again. All right. Let's see. What do we got going on here? Same dealio here. Same dealio. Same structure. Same everything. Let's take a peek and see what the fibs are. Haven't even made the 1-to-1 extension. Here's the difference in Ethereum, guys. We did not. This is actually a finished correction, guys. This is done. This is finished. Guys, that makes me think, Max, you might be right, bro. Looking at Ethereum, that looks finished. Unless we get another move, this becomes a big 3-wave. Oh, that's a possibility. So we could get a very large 3-wave moved. So yeah, we could get that. That could work. Okay, so we could get this. We could get that, and that would be fine. You'd have a WXY, a WX, and then a Y, 333. That would be just fine. So yeah, no problem there. We could have some more upside to go. But guys, there is a higher possibility or probability or possibility. Yeah, this broke the level of the 1. Okay, so if you don't understand that from an Elliott Wave perspective, guys, you need to watch my videos on I've got trading night school videos you can check out. So yeah, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. This came down, broke the level of the 1. That can't be a 4th wave like we have in Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a possibility of that being a 4th wave, which means 1 more wave to the upside. It also has a possibility of simply being a 1 wave to the downside. One more possibility, though, guys, you got to remember is we got a little 3-wave action right there. It's real tight and it looks steep and it looks impulsive, but it could just be a cheap 3-wave. It screws everybody up, and then we get another 3-wave move to the upside, and that is a possibility, guys. So that would be a 3-wave move, 3-wave move, 3-wave move, and that gives you your W. That's horrible. W, X, and your Y up here. So yeah, that's a possibility. That brings us back to structure. That's the problem here. We did not come up to structure. None of the structure was hit. So my guess is that we're going to come up, retest this structure zone. So look for a move up to the upside. Guys, I just have a bias. I think we're going up before we go down. I believe that. So I think this move right here most likely is a fake out to the downside. So how do you tell? How do you know what it is? Let's look at it here and see if we can figure it out. Um, okay. Yeah, this fourth wave wicked the one wave. So, guys, that's a three-wave move right there, guys. This cannot be one, two, three, four, and then five. This cannot be that. Okay, the reason it cannot be that because there's a hard and fast rule in Elliott wave that says the fourth wave cannot come and retrace into the region of the one wave. If it does, it's not a fourth wave. So, in other words, we would not be looking for a fifth wave to the downside. Actually, what we would be looking for is the beginning of a impulse to the upside here, guys. That is three waves right there. So that is my bias, everyone, on Ethereum. So regardless, I think we're gonna get a move up. Yeah, we just barely wicked the 1618, so we wicked it and then moved. So that's corrective in nature. Um, So three-wave move right there, boom, guys. I think we're heading up. I really do. I think we're going up. That is my call, if I can say it. Now, how we go up, I can't tell you guys. I can't tell you exactly how we go up. Shoot, we could do this. Okay, there's a three-wave. We could get a three-wave, and we could get another three-wave down like that. Okay, and then we could go up again. Okay, they could drag this out so long. Okay, they could create this to be so complex. So you got to understand that. But the chart is pointing to the upside eventually, to a target up in this region. Let me see if let me just give you the targets here. Target of 159 to 175. If it gets up to the 196 region, guys, we're dealing with an impulse wave. I'm not feeling that. I'm not thinking that's going to happen. Not feeling it at all. Now, this came substantially in. You know what? That could be a finished five waves right there. Yeah, it is a finished five waves. Yeah, true. They need to go and square this up. They can't tank the price without squaring up price before they got to square up their books, and so then they need to take it up here really. So guys, again, this move down is probably just a preamble to a move to the upside. So get ready. I think a move to the upside is coming. How it comes, I can't be honest. I mean, it can't be certain. We just can't be honest. Of course, I'm going to be honest, but I can't be certain. Um, to be honest, I can't be certain. That's what I was trying to say. All right. Yeah. If you're in the Telegram group, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm planning on doing a lot more heavier charting of Ethereum, because Ethereum is just really really helpful, I think it's going to zoom this year. I think guys, I'm kind of turning bullish. To be honest with you, I'm kind of getting my Moon Boy suit on. I'm not feeling $1,000. It could go. I guess it could go down there, but I'm not. I'm not feeling it. I want to see it. I want to see it break 3,100 first. If it does that, then obviously. But anyway, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, Litecoin. Same deal with Litecoin. Broke the one. Same thing with Litecoin and Ethereum. Same chart. Here are your targets: $46, $51, 127 extension. So what we've got here, the wave shape, we didn't even make the one-to-one extension. So we got a three-wave move. This could be a finished three-wave move. Okay, chances are we're going to get this, and then we're going to get that. So we're going to get some sideways shenanigans, and three waves. Okay, I'm not just drawing squiggly lines here. Let me explain to you something. Let me explain something. When you get a complex correction, guys, it happens like this. Basically, you get a zigzag move down to the downside. So there's one move, two moves, and then you get a third zigzag move to the upside. And so you got one, two, three. That's called a WXY. It's a double zigzag with an X wave in the middle. Okay, so that would be your W wave, your X wave, and your Y wave. Okay, so anyway, so when you see me drawing that, I'm really not just drawing squigglies on the chart. I mean, it looks like I'm drawing squigglies on the chart, but it's not. It is actually, the shape of, you got the shape of a WXY. So you got, come on, three wave move down, three wave move up, three wave move down. There's a WXY to the downside, and then we go up. Okay, and could be five waves, could be three waves, depending on how deep we come. We got to come to 90% down here in order to get five waves up. Otherwise, it's going to be a three wave move to the upside. Elliott wave structure demands that. Okay. All right. So that's the benefit of Elliott wave. Kind of gives us some, trajectory on what price is doing. Yeah. Squidward. All right. Okay, so there you go. There are your targets there for Litecoin, 46.19 to $51. Eventually, I'm not sure if we get some down movement first before up. So we're gonna have to wait and see how this wave develops here. Look for a setup. I'll let you guys know in the Telegram group once I see a setup. Okay. All right. There you go. All right. So there's Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. There's the analysis. That's all I'm doing tonight. I will take chart requests, any stock, any chart. I'll take three requests. So the first three people to request a chart, I will be glad to pull it up. Silver will do. Here's the first one. Just looking at how my Aussie dollar finished today. Ah, bummer. I missed the last leg. Bummer. How many pips did I miss? I pulled out too soon. Oh, I missed. Yeah, it's not horrible. 55 pips. Not too bad. All right. Cheers, Max. All right, there we go. Silver, OXY, and Tesla. That's what we got going on. Let's do silver first. What is that? XAG, isn't it? Yeah. Um, Silver chart. All right, let's see. Let's look on the 3-day. Wow. Silver really at $12? You got to be kidding me. So back when I didn't know anything about charts, I mean nothing. I knew nothing about. I bought silver at right in here at $30. I've got some physical silver. Um, yeah, I traded Max. I traded Aussie today. um, took how many pips did I take? Took 100 pips today, so that was good. That was a good trade. Um, all right, let's see what we got here. I need more data than this. It's an awful lot like Bitcoin, doesn't it? That's the monthly chart. The weekly, we have some divergence, but it could get wiped out. But we have divergence on the weekly. Again, it could be wiped out. I think, guys, this is just a scam wick. I think we're going to get a reversal soon. It's got to go up. I just do not see it go below $8.30. I just can't see it. Wow. I don't trade silver, but okay. So best I can see here on the silver chart, just looking at this last wave here, uh, probably coming down to $10. I would not sell that. I would not sell silver. I would not short it. But I would wait for it. Wait for it to come down, hit the 2618, and see if we get a reaction off of the 2618. Looks like we're getting a fourth wave right now. So to me, this looks it's definitely impulse. So 1, 2, 3, getting a fourth wave, gonna come on down round in this region. Let's see. Let's see if I can give you a price projection. I don't know where this is coming. Yeah, $9 or $10. I would wait for it to bottom. So one more wave down to the downside. One more lower low on silver. Okay, one more lower low on silver. So wait for that lower low. I don't know where it's going to be. Just wait for that lower low, and then it's a buy. To me, it's a buy zone. After that, buy, 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 and hold it. It's kind of like crypto, guys. We're at the buy zone where we're going to hold on for dear life. This is about hodl time. We're close to hodl time in crypto. So I think we're going to get another chance at the low. So I don't think it's going to moon from here. We'll get another chance. All right. All right. So that was silver. Then I only said three charts, guys. So OXY and Tesla. Um, okay, OXY. This is the Occidental Petroleum Corp. Wow, we got a big old gap right there. Needs to fill. Doesn't have to fill. Could fill. Should fill. That is an amazing chart right there. That has not broken the low. Can't get much lower than that, though, can you? I mean, dang. I mean, it's a buy. It's in the buy zone. Look at that. It's way oversold on the weekly. Way oversold. Don't have any divergence, though. Could have a probably going to get some kind of a move up and then a retest of the bottom before it goes up. So wait for that, probably. So we're going to have some consolidation over the next, well, this is the weekly chart, guys. So we're talking years. But yeah, this is not looking much lower. I can't see it. Excuse me 1 second. Oh, Tom. Okay, gotcha, man. Sorry, I forgot about you, man. You should have reminded me. Should have reminded me, brother. Yeah, I mean, this is in total buy zone, guys. I mean, we got a big old gap. I think it's ready. In this region, just buy and hold. And I don't know anything about. I mean, just looking at the chart, unless the company's going to die. Now, if the company dies, there you go. I can't say anything about that. But as far as the chart's concerned, and it's a petroleum company, it's an oil company. I mean, oil's not going to lose its value forever. So now, I mean, it's going to come back. It's going to start mooning. All right. Good night, Hassan. We'll see you. All right. Last chart here. What was it? What you might want to do instead of trying to nail the bottom here is wait for a big candle, then wait for the pullback, and then go. So that might be the way to do it. To be certain, we're going to get this reversal. Okay. All right. What was the last one? I forgot. Tesla. Tesla on the NASDAQ. Boom. Wow. Look at that guy. Didn't quite hit 1,000, did it? Ah. Okay, so this is a three-wave move here in Tesla. Get to the 3-day. Well, you can see it on the 2-day, 12-hour maybe. There we go. So you can see three waves here. 1, 2, 3. Now, we did not make the 1618, guys. So this is corrective right now. I can't say. We got to wait and see if we get a move up. If we get a move up beyond 611, it's buy. It's buy time all day long. So if we get a move up that breaks 611, it's going to be buy time. Now, we could get a complex correction, so be careful. We get a three-wave and then another three-wave down, so we got to be careful about that. But, yeah, I mean, sorry. On Tesla, I mean, it's not a bad buy right now, but we could make another low. And so if it makes another low, then, I mean, if it comes up here and does this, then we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 1, 2, 3 wave, 4, 5, and it's going down big time. I can't see that happening based on this chart. I would imagine that. Oh, come on. This is just a three-wave correction, guys, and Tesla's going to just head on up again. Maybe. We'll have to wait and see how complex. This could become a really complex correction like Bitcoin. But I'm seeing up right now on Tesla in the short term over the next, several, month or so. Yeah. All right, guys. You guys, there you go. There's your Friday night charts. Sorry I didn't get to all the charts. We'll try some others another time. I just want to get with my family. I just didn't get a video out today, so I wanted to. So you guys have a great night. I hope you enjoyed the live stream. Make sure there's lots of good information about Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. So make sure you rewind the video if you missed those. Lots of good TA there. Really good Elliott wave counts there. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. If you want more access to charts and analysis on a more regular basis, please join the Telegram group. Just become a Patreon. You'll see the link in the description below, and we'll get you in the group. All right. Until then, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.